Cura One Staff Alert is a wireless call system ideal for primary schools where a fully integrated emergency call system is not required. Staff Alert is a professionally designed system with full functionality and fast, easy setup. Choose between a short-range or the long-range system. The short-range system can have up to 16 waterproof call buttons that have a detachable pull cord. These will be programmed to a wireless over-door indicator light that will light up and emit an audible alarm to notify when assistance is required. The range between the call buttons and the indicator light is up to 50 meters. To upgrade to the Staff Alert long-range system, add a touchscreen console that can be placed in a central location and will notify of a call. Connect a receiver dongle with the latest LoRa technology to achieve wireless distances of up to 1.5 kilometers. Call buttons can now be placed in each classroom, building, office, toilet, including accessible toilets for persons with disability, and first aid room. The console will show which room requires assistance. Indicator lights can be placed over each toilet block and first aid room doors, and will give extra notification of assistance required. With easy wireless setup, these systems are economical, quick and easy to install, use, and maintain. If you require a system with more flexibility, such as wearable pendants and more call notification solutions, please ask for information regarding our Cura One School's long-range call system. Cura One, helping to care. Contact us on 1300 122 273 for more information or the contact details of a registered installer in your state.